Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to add link to Instagram story without 10k followers. Let's have a look. Instagram recently replaced the swipe up option to add links with link stickers for stories. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Try to create a new story. Tap plus sign on top right beside message icon. Then tap story from bottom menu. Add your photo or video and edit it based on your preferences. You can take a snap. Then you can add solid color. Now to add link on your story, tap sticker button from top right side. Here you will see new link sticker. Tap link. Under URL, type your website link. People who view your story can tap the sticker to visit the link. I would like to add one of my YouTube video link. So minimize all apps and open YouTube app. Tap the three dots beside the video. Then tap share. Then tap copy link. Now again tap resend button and open your Instagram app. Under URL, paste your copied link. Tap done on top right. Using two fingers, you can resize your link sticker. Tap on the link sticker to change its font color, also background color. Now you can add more stickers in your story before share, then share your story. When people tap on your story, they can tap your sticker link. By tap view link, they can visit your shared website. So these are the steps to add link to Instagram stories without 10k followers. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.